My name is Mark Cruz of Market Bonsai, and with me is Johnny Garris, and we're going to demonstrate a vast range of bonsai tools. Johnny is going to demonstrate how to use a gin plier. In this instance, he's first going to twist the bark off the branch. You cut off the knob just along this ridge, and the knob cutter is an ideal tool for cutting that stub away. The branch cutter now cuts this branch off altogether. He was first going to cut off that bit so that the branch is knocked off, and then he'll cut off along the ridge out here so that the branch heals properly. The branch splitter is used to cut a branch horizontally along the center of it so that you can then easier to bend. However, it's not an easy technique to use and not advised to be used lightly. That's an ideal way. And then you just afterwards bend it easily along that line, and it bends much simpler. And the root shear is used for generally cutting heavier branches, but here we're demonstrating on some finer branches. The fine twig shear is used to cut fine branches, green branches preferably, but up to brown branches up to 2 millimeters thick, and that's really how you cut it off. It's better to cut in between and remove all the stubs so that the branch heals properly after that. The cocoa brush is an indispensable tool in the bonsai artist toolkit. It helps with removing any unnecessary rubbish from the surface. The bark is an important aspect of any bonsai, and the cocoa brush is a great tool to help you keep it clean and tidy. The wire brush is a handy tool at tidying up your pot, and the wire is just soft enough so that it doesn't damage the pot, but hard enough to remove any stubborn dirt on it. The root cutter is a handy tool for cutting roots because it has a straight blade. The blade is absolutely straight, and so it cuts cleanly perpendicular on the root. The tweezer is another handy tool for cleaning out in the pot. This particular one has little serrations at the end that help close onto the branch or the twig or the weed that you're going to pull out. The wooden chopsticks and metal chopsticks basically have the same purpose, and we've used the metal one in repotting demonstration, but the wooden one has exactly the same purpose. Sometimes it's not so easy to come by a metal one, but the wooden chopstick does the job just as well. The bonsai turntable, an essential part of any bonsai toolkit, ideal for helping you look at the tree from all angles while you're pruning or while you're repotting. And that is how you use bonsai tools.